What are the things that you should prepare after you get admitted sa BYU-Hawaii? First of all, congratulations! We know you worked and prayed hard for this, so you deserve a round of applause. Yay! So the first thing that you should do is to complete your intent to enroll. So basically, you would just choose the option that you accept and you will enroll to the semester that you applied for. And then, bisitahin yung new student checklist. Link is on the description. There are some things sa video na ito na nandun na, pero there are things din na wala doon sa checklist. So better watch this video and tignan din yung checklist. After completing the intent to enroll, pwede mong pagsabayin yung pag-prepare for visa application and pag-complete sa health clearance. Later, I will talk about health clearance. Ngayon, focus muna tayo sa visa application. So, the ISS or International Student Services will send an e-form document to your student email account within 5 to 10 business days. This e-form will allow them to create a legal document, DS 2019 for J1 students and I-20 for F1 students, and they are required for your visa interview. Please carefully follow the instructions and complete the e-form as soon as possible. Kapag na-process na yung e-form, they will send you your visa packet that contains a signed copy of your DS 2019 or I-20 document. And then, a few days before you receive your DS 2019, you can start filling out your DS 160. DS 160 is the online non-immigrant visa application. Doon mo i-fill out lahat na information mo, yung background mo na makikita ng consul sa iyong visa interview. So, dapat accurate and perfect yung mga nakasulat doon, and just take your time. And keep in mind that the form is valid for 30 days from the day you begin its application process. And then, after mo magawa yon, magkakaroon ng DS-160 confirmation, ipiprint mo yon at dadalhin mo rin yon sa visa interview. Next is your SEVIS document. SEVIS is an information system that tracks and monitors F, M, and J non-immigrants and dependents from the time na nag-apply sila until sa pag-uwi nila sa Philippines. Need yung SEVIS number for your visa interview, at para magkaroon ng SEVIS number, you should pay $220 na SEVIS fee. Pero based on our experience, school na yung nagbabayad ng $220 SEVIS fee. And ang gagawin mo na lang ay ipiprint yung SEVIS document from the link on the description at dadalhin mo rin yun for your visa interview. So after na makuha mo yung DS 2019, DS 160 confirmation, and yung SEVIS document mo, ready ka na mag-set up ng appointment sa US Embassy. The instructions ay nasa link below. So, kailangan mo lang magkaroon ng account and magbayad ng $185 na visa fee. Pwede mo siyang bayaran through bank transfer or through RCBC. At yung deposit slip generator na nasa description, ay yun yung dadalhin mo sa RCBC para magbayad. Next is the health clearance. So, these are the required immunizations: 2 doses of MMR, 2 doses of Varicella, or kung nagkaroon ka na ng chickenpox in the past, ang kailangan mo lang ay yung proof at yung date kung kailan ka nagkaroon ng disease. And then 1 dose of MCV at age 16 or older, and 1 dose of Tdap at age 10 or older. Keep in mind that the 2 doses must be given 30 days or more days apart, and all live vaccines such as MMR and Varicella must be done at least 30 days before arriving sa campus. If you cannot get these immunizations before coming here, you can get the immunizations here, pero mas mahal. So, better na kunin mo siya sa Philippines pa lang. Kailangan mo rin ng tuberculosis test, and pwede mo siyang kunin dito sa campus for free, so you don't have to worry about it. Once you receive these immunizations, have your physician complete the state health immunization form. Nasa description yung link, and submit a copy of your immunizations through email sa healthcenter@byuh.edu. Failure to complete your state health immunizations may delay your registration or approval to attend class. So, dapat gawin siya as soon as possible. While waiting for your visa and health clearance completion, pwede mo rin gawin yung mga ito. So, apply for housing. Ito ay may deadline. So, visit the link below para makita mo yung information concerning your housing options and deadlines. Magbabayad kayo ng $50 na application fee. Pwede nyo siyang bayaran through online payment or kapag nandito na kayo. And for married couples, required kayo na mag-deposit ng $300 for TVA housing. Next is the Title IX course. Title IX prohibits sex-based discrimination in any school or in any other education program. And to prevent unlawful discrimination, all students must become familiar with Title IX and are required to view a series of videos and then take the quiz that corresponds to each video through Canvas. So kapag natapos nyo na yung mga quizzes na yon, pwede nyo na makuha yung ID nyo upon arrival sa campus. To complete the Title IX course, just follow the instructions, visit the link below, and then click Canvas under Quick Links, and then log in with your BYUH Net ID and password. If you have just created your BYUH Net ID, wait for 24 hours to be able to log in sa Canvas. And then click on Courses on the left-hand menu. Click on the Title IX course and complete the Title IX course as instructed. Then for your registration for classes, remember na you need 1 major and 2 minors. And kung hindi pa kayo decided, okay lang, pwede kayo mag-take ng mga general courses. Kung gusto nyo namang mag-change ng major and minors, just send an email to your academic advisor. The link is on the description below para malaman nyo kung sino yung academic advisor nyo. And you can also schedule an appointment with them and meet through video call para ma-discuss nyo kung ano yung mga major and minors na available based on your interests. This is just an overview. I know that there will be questions that will pop up as you complete these steps. So just leave a comment below kung may mga tanong ka or chat sa GC ng mga new students. They will help. Next time, I will talk about visa interview tips, PDOS, and iWork orientation. See ya and good luck!